guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for buttered cassava, and we're making it in the Instant Pot. So if you guys would like to see how to make this recipe, keep watching. And of course, if you didn't own an Instant Pot, you can make this in a regular pressure cooker or a pot on your stove. So let's get started. You're going to start by putting your Instant Pot on the saute mode and pressing start. We're going to add in 1 stick of butter. After all, it is buttered cassava, and I'm adding in goldenry butter for some extra flavor. You guys can omit the goldenry if you wanted to, and you can add less of the butter if you wanted to also, or you could just omit it and use avocado oil, but it will not be buttered cassava. In goes chopped onions, chopped pimento peppers, and minced garlic. We're going to allow this to saute for around 2 minutes. We want to develop the flavors in the aromatics. Now I'm going to go in with my chopped and cleaned cassava, also called yuca, and I'm going to season with complete seasoning. And I'm going to give this additional flavor. My husband loves it creamy, so I'm adding in 1 packet of coconut milk powder to it. It's totally optional, but trust me, it makes a difference. It tastes so creamy and so delicious. So give it a mix, and once it's been mixed in, I went ahead and tasted the sauce, and for me, I needed a little more salt, but it's totally optional. So I'm just giving that a quick mix. Make sure the salt dissolves, and then we need to add in either vegetable stock, you can use chicken stock, or you can use water. I'm using water here. You have to add the water in so it doesn't start to stick or burn at the bottom. Now turn off the saute mode, cover your Instant Pot, and we're going to put on the pressure cook mode. And you can use the slow cook mode for this if you wanted to, and put it for like around 2 hours or 3 hours. I haven't tried it yet with the slow cook mode, but I'm using it on the pressure cook mode for 12 minutes. Once it's finished, you want to release the pressure that's been built up in there, and then once that pressure has been released, open your Instant Pot, and look how beautiful the cassava looks. Now it did stick a little bit on the bottom, but it wasn't like burning. So at this point, I want to season with some fresh green seasoning that I have minced, and I'm going to give that a mix. This is just going to add a little more freshness to the end and some herbaceousness to this dish. And that's how it looks. And all you have to do now is plate and enjoy. You can serve this. I like baked beans with cassava. I know it may sound strange, but that's how I like it. You can serve it with curry fish, you can serve it with stewed chicken, curry chicken, whatever you like, feel free to serve it. And if you wanted it saucier, just add some more water or stock and thin it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.